Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you the 5G pricing versus fiber pricing. You're gonna take your own decision, but we're gonna show you what we think is better based on pricing. We believe in something else, you might be believing in something else. So we got one of the websites where 5G sold, and this website is more popular to people who are using 5G, and also the one which is popular for people who are using what fiber. Let's start with the cheapest. Let's say we need for speed for 10 megabytes. No, let me say 30 megabytes. Okay, how much do we pay on fiber for 30 megabytes? On fiber you're gonna pay not less than 800. So this is 850. Yes, I know there are different people who are selling this, different companies, but look, this is what you're gonna pay if you use 30 megabytes download, 30 megabytes upload speed. So when we go to, we're gonna compare it with what they call with your 5G 30 megabytes also. So 5G 30 megabytes is here. You're gonna pay only 700 for your 30 megabytes. You can see if I go there, speed up to 30 megabytes per second, and also download speed gonna be the same. So I used this package, I know it so well. This money, the one you see here, is for Black Friday, and after 3 months gonna go back to 700. But if you want it now, you can get it, and after 3 months then they're gonna charge you 700. You can see yourself that fiber is a little bit expensive. Here on this package like this, you're gonna pay extra 100, almost 150. And what I'm saying is you have to make your mind, and also you have to, for instance, let me try to say I'm going to apply. If I'm going to apply, this is what you see. If you see any company selling to you fiber or 5G, try your best to check if they're giving you a month to month. If they are not giving you a month to month, please don't take that deal, because based on the internet, we are in this industry, we know. You can see this one, they say please, if you cancel within 12 months, you will be, you can see this, they put conditions here, you get me? So they want you to stay for more than 12 months. So if you find any fiber deal or any deal for internet, no matter which internet you want to use, if they talk about 24 months, 12 months, please tell them I need something for at least month to month, because these things always they become cheaper every after 2 to 3 months. You're gonna find there's a company or themselves, they introduce a new package based on what the competitors always giving cheaper prices. So these guys, you're gonna find they're gonna give you a cheaper price after 2 to 3 months. So but if you signed for this, then it's a problem. So try to find a way that you get any deal on internet which is a month to month. Okay, that's we say. So you pay for what, 30 megabytes per second fiber for 850, or you wanna pay 5G 30 megabytes for 700. You get me? So that is gonna be up to you. We're gonna leave it in your hands. So we're gonna go also still on fiber. Let me get in here, and we're looking for speed up to 200. From 200 you're gonna pay 1349. Here you can pay 1.4, here you can pay 1.5, same speed. Here you can pay 1.250, here you can pay 1.5 almost, here you can pay 1.6 almost, this is 1.559. sorry about that. Here you're gonna pay 1.7, here you're gonna pay 1.3. You get me? So Metro Africa, Link Africa, Eve Hotel, Frogfoot. You can see these are different companies. You can see they give you different prices but same speed. Do you understand? This guy here is say if you pay him this money, you're gonna get 500 megabytes per second, 500 megabytes per second. Okay, let's look into 5G with the same speed range. Here your 5G is gonna be here. Yeah, this is the 5G you get on 1,000 rands. Okay, let's see. This, they took out the speed, but I used this also. Request a call by now. So this, it starts from 200 megabytes. I sometimes test it, it goes to 500 or to 250. I've never reached, okay, anyway, 500, but from 200 megabytes. But look at what you get. You pay 1,900, 1,000 rand. So on all these fiber deals, there is nothing talks about 1,000 rands. All of them, they are above 500 rands. So now it's up to you to pay 1.3 or 1.2 or 1.7 or 1. Whatever, because these are different companies, they charge you different money. Obviously you're gonna go to what, to the cheapest one. But I would advise you, if you don't want 5G, it's up to you, it's not up to me. I'm just highlighting on what I've tested. So I would not pay something for 1 point something when there's something for 1,000 rand. I'm getting the same thing. But if you feel like, no, I don't want 5G for whatever reasons you have, and you want to sign for fiber, you can find for fiber. But now I would advise you to find something which is gonna give you a month to month. Don't take something which is gonna give you for a what 24 months, 3 months and all that. So just apply for something which is gonna give you month to month. But now in general, what things, the way we see things, we've seen that fiber is a bit what is a bit cheaper, because even their deals on Rain, they give you I'm not saying fiber is cheaper everywhere. Rain is the only cheapest company I know. Others they can give you a fiber deal, but it could be up 1,000 rand. And also you find that they say you have to sign for 24 months, things like that. But here on Rain, they give you all their deals are month to month. Let's look into this. See, fiber upgrade. No, this, they are talking about the same thing there. So now guys, it's gonna be up to you what to choose, what not to choose. You can find other fiber deals from other companies, but I'm not going to lie to you. You're not going to get anything for 200 megabytes per second, which is less than 1,000 rands. But on fiber, on 5G, we get it. You saw it and you witnessed it. So if you go to other providers, like you can see, ask yourself fiber prices. You can go to any company you want for. If you want for Vodacom, you can go there. Telcom, you can go there. Everyone you want, you're gonna go there and see the deals. You're gonna see their deals. But to me, I believe the deals here, I hate this pop-up for these guys. OpenServe, Metro Fiber, Link Africa. You can see all these companies which have been Frogfoot. These are the companies our provider partners are. You can see these are the same companies which have been giving you what fiber on that page. You get me? So so it's obvious that here you might get it a little bit even expensive, because these guys are they own some infrastructure. So Vodacom, I think, rent to them, then the Vodacom give it to you. You understand? So you can see this way. I don't even have I don't see even prices. Let me see if I can get 23 William Nicole. Nicole Street, Contesia Park, whatever, Pretoria. I wanna say Gauteng. Okay, let me get this and see if we have that. You say okay, there is fiber. Browse packages. I'm gonna browse packages for you, and you see they have cheaper packages, but look what you get. Look what you get. Wow, look what you get. 10 megabytes. Let's look for 1,000. You can see what I told you. You don't get anything less than that. 40 megabytes. Look, this is what this we get. You can see you get even, I told you guys that 5G is cheaper, because you see you get 30 megabytes on 5G for 700, not even 800. You get me? So here 5G, I didn't see any 14 megabytes, but you get 30 megabytes. I believe you can see this, what I'm trying to tell you. Look, you get, this is 700, you get 30 megabytes per second. Here they're selling to you 20 megabytes per second, and they sell it to you 800. This is fiber, guys. Ask yourself what is so special on fiber and what is so special on 5G. So all of these things I'm trying to show you, I'm trying to tell you to make a decision and get a better deal for yourself. So other deals are here, but the speed is a little bit low. You get me? So look at them. If you want 1000 megabytes but 100 megabytes, look, wow. Can you see what's going on their fiber here? This 100 megabytes you pay 1.150, and here I told you we go to 200 plus. This is 200 megabytes to 350, because based on my testing, you're gonna only pay 1,000 rand. There you pay more and less. You get me? So I don't know what you think, but you might be forced to be on things you don't like, because some areas they don't have 5G, some areas they don't have fiber, some areas they have 5G, some areas don't have fiber. So it's, you can say you want to take 5G, but now you're in Devon. There is no 5G in Devon, but there is fiber in Devon. You get me? But anyway, what we want to advise you is, like, when you're taking fiber also look for a package which is at least a month to month. Whatever package you want to take, it depends on your finance. So guys, that's the way we see things. You might see things in a different way, but you can browse on and go to many websites, search for fiber deals and 5G deals. But the guy I know who's the cheapest on 5G is Rain. Fiber deals, I wouldn't recommend anyone who's cheaper. Most of them, the prices are a little bit the same, but the conditions, they change the terms you sign on. But if someone gives you fiber and you're happy with the speed and they tell you it's a month to month, you can take it. It's up to you. But all the 5G packages on Rain, they are what? They are month to month. There is no what they call, and they are unlimited. You can see this is unlimited home, and also this is unlimited data. Oh, where is it? Down, it should be down here. Also this is unlimited, you can see. So now it's up to you guys to check and change and see who you think is better for you. So but that's the way we see things. It's gonna be up to you to choose whom you want. So we're gonna do a video to test for you the speeds, and we see if it's true or it's not true, because sometimes you can find they give you speed which is not what they say they're giving you, or sometimes it depends on your area where you are. They give you their speed, but you're in an area where there's no good coverage. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe. This is Azania Tutorials.